but he's a little.
That's okay. He's not doing what he's supposed to be doing though. You know why you're here, right?
Yes, sir.
Why you here?
Criminal trespass. His mother.
You have bond violations.
He's currently living in a group home, Your Honor, and he's back on his medication. So we're getting that taken care of right now. We got a hold of his caregiver, and that's who got him here. Make sure that he was here today. The last time the caregiver got to the house late, he didn't get the information. That's why he wasn't present. But me and Gloria worked on getting the caregiver the information, and that's why he's here this morning. So he's.
Ms. Garza, do me a favor. Remind me the facts of the case, what happened, because I don't remember Mr. Blake's case. If you can just give me a brief rendition. Blake.
Officers were dispatched for a disturbance call, and the CW is the defendant's mother. He would not leave the property, and the first time officers arrived, he had already left, and then he came back. Officers came back and arrested him for not leaving and making threats.
That's why
So-
living there.
Sorry,
Living there at the time. He had all his things there.
but she didn't want him there, right?
Apparently, whatever was going on at the time. But again, I believe it had something to do with his being unmedicated. We're taking care of that now with the group home. He's got a group home now. He's getting stabilized with his medication. So we're trying to get to a resolution now.
I guess my question and my only concern is the complaining witness and whether he's tried to go back and harass her again.
Your
They
Honor,
just
I
spoke to her.
spoke with the complaining witness myself, and she stated that this issue was just due to him not being on medication and drugs. And that now that he's been on medication and been in the group home, that he's improved significantly and there hasn't been any more incidents.
Damn. Look at that.
So
We moving in the right direction.
she did say that she wishes for a condition that would be to take medicine and no drugs.
That's something that we're going to be struggling with for the remainder of his existence.
Yeah, we've done that, correct, Ms. Garza? Have we not put a condition that he's got to continue to take his medication? I would have to imagine that we did that as part of this condition.
Just if they were asking Mr. Raina, will you allow him to do a payment plan?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
For sure.
I don't see that as a specific condition.
But we recognize that ourselves, Your Honor, that he needs to continue to be medicated. Correct.
So remember that, so he just got another PR bond because you were just released from custody, Mr. Blake. One of the conditions that the magistrate set was that you were not to have contact with Jeanette Wiltz. Do you understand? If you violate this, it's not going to go well for you. I'm now adding on an additional condition that you must take your prescribed medication. What are you taking?
Yes, sir. I have to.
What are you taking?
Oh, segments.
Yeah, that's
They
good.
could, they change every month also.
They're trying to figure out, they're trying to get him, to an equal spot.
I'm already off there in regular shot and everything. Now I'm on difficulties. I know his difficult is one of them.
We don't have to tell.
So understand, you will not get another PR bond. Mr. Blake, you violate these conditions again. This is your first time. I'm not going to play this game again with you. I promise you that. I don't care if you have Jesus next to you with Trinidad. You understand?
Sure.
I know that Trinidad gets a little testy, but I'm not playing games with you. You
Amen.
must take your medication, no contact, unless we know she wants to have contact with you. Do you understand?
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you. I
We'll give you
appreciate it.
normal recess.
Sure.
Thank you. Hey.